My name is Alex Sargent, better known as Sarge. I'm the Director of Process Development for Cell Therapy CDMO Solutions at Charles River Laboratories. Charles River Laboratories is primarily known for our research model services, but in recent years we've really branched out. More people likely know us for our integrated CDMO solutions. This covers viral vector manufacturing, cell therapy manufacturing, cell solutions, as well as a variety of testing services that support those products. So we really hopefully offer a broad integrated portfolio to help see cell and gene therapies advance into the market. What I'm talking about today here at ASGCT is a collaboration we had with a good partner of ours, Terumo BCT, on how to get consistency as well as good quality for formulation and fill finish of cell therapies using an automated device like the Finia. One expectation from the conference is I think we're going to learn a lot about new automated solutions in cell and gene therapy, some exciting things and new data from systems like the Finia, as well as some of the other new technologies being brought to market. And I really expect some good conversations about how we can use technology to help move cell and gene therapy forward.